The unthinkable has happened. NASA's prized Starliner spacecraft, meant to ferry astronauts to and fro from the International Space Station, has surfaced a devastating failure. And now, the brave men and women aboard the ISS are facing a terrifying predicament with their very lives hanging in the balance. Welcome to Education Technology. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to like and comments. Greetings Earthlings, get ready for the most mind-blowing, heart-pounding and nail-biting space drama you have ever witnessed. Today we bring you an exclusive never-before-seen footage of NASA's Starliner astronauts stranded on the International Space Station. Will they make it back to Earth safely? Let's find out. With their only lifeline to Earth severed, the trapped astronauts must now face the grim reality. They may never see their families again. Time is running out as their oxygen supplies dwindle. With time running out, the crew must rely their expertise and resourcefulness. They embark on a perilous mission to repair the Starliner's navigation system, a task that could mean the difference between life and death. Every second counts as they navigate treacherous spacewalks, battling against the unforgiving harshness of the cosmic vacuum. Will they be able to restore the spaceship's functionality and find their way back home? The issue: a malfunction in the docking mechanism of one of their spacecraft, their primary ride home. The technical glitch is preventing the safe undocking and re-entry of the affected Starliner vehicle. Without it, the astronauts cannot safely return to Earth. Ground control teams at NASA, Roscosmos, Boeing and other international partners are working around the clock to diagnose and resolve this critical issue. Engineers and scientists are poring over data, exploring every possible solution to restore the Starliner's docking mechanism. Meanwhile, the astronauts on the ISS are in good health and spirits, with sufficient supplies to sustain them for an extended stay in orbit if necessary. Contingency plans are being developed. Other spacecrafts docked to ISS, like the SpaceX Crew Dragon or the Russian Progress cargo vehicle, may be called into action to ensure the safe return of the crew. The world watches as the ground control teams and astronauts work in unison, racing against the time to solve this high-stakes puzzle. Will they find a solution in time? Will astronauts make it back to Earth safely? Stay tuned to witness the outcome of this gripping story of survival, ingenuity, and unyielding human spirit. This is a developing story. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on the fate of our brave astronauts abroad on the ISS.